Mimamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV so. Nansen eto de bia BBC ewo Ghana ha sei na enkrofo etitiriu a ewo se ekasania wo muye kuma. Eya na mebetena ha sei ekase enti enkrofo bia ebia some time ago na wo mo kasa on issues ewo Ghana ha sei no. Se be sankrofo ni na na wo mo ate afa. Anse ne beto aso no subscribe na click the notification bell no and the screen so see ya we the latest news be about one sa ebeka. Say obi a wo follow me channel no what say me kasa nsem ne da. Say enti de AC wo Ghana yi se be osofo yi na wo kasa pa embre bi no sisi a wo he. Akwa akoye say sisi a no Ghana ha say the political parties na nkasa de ebi mu eye no eno na amasa be etitirifuo bi a na nsem bi wo ho a wo mo ka no sisi a wo mo enka. Because who na will be one ekasa on issues. This time around in Ghana, you get people attacking you. We have seen people who previously were seen as very, very credible. Now, this time around, say BBC no mobile bunting, ebekasape, hey, they will be attacked. I can go into the names, even investigative journalists at this time around. One more reputation, they are dragging it through the mud just because they've released exposés on government officials this time around. Bambrebi, these same journalists no, one more at the exposés back. In Brebi, one more the exposés back. No one dares attack the reputation of these journalists. But this time around, we saw these things in Ghana. You can mention the journalist Omudin Wawunim. Ngwofu bebre oye sofo na wonim na wokasa ewo bibia abanya ye enye masa senia enkola bi beba abonten aba bedi watem no. And you can attest to the fact say nekre mekra metina ha meka sei asem we are making bobi beba aba bedi matem to say ebi mo de wo ma yo madwen say if there is something wrong going on in this country, don't say it just because it is their party which is in power. Just because they feel say yes, they like the president than any other person. Just because they feel say you need to shut up. Meanwhile, some time ago, na nyama bi koso na nya ya kasa, and these people were supporting us. And that yeah can yesemayenka. Now, this is the background to the whole story. Osofo kese a wo Ghana ha say ye friend no Agyinasare. Emse wasofo Agyinasare. Na washase nansen ya atrese washase se wokeka keka nsem bi se wohwe Ghana sebi sika a yede essay eye banks yede gu nkrofo banks ne nyama na nanka bibi wo ho a sebi nanka betumi aye na yaboa because the eya nkrofo eka even the opposition NDC the omo kan say wohwe sika ye spend ya yede gu banks na nanka sa sika na kra no ebetumi e de save banks no. Not to say abroad until you share that you go banks because you say banks now you go no. Some of them were financing the opposition NDC and someone not NDC for air cannon. Now, Agyinasare Babontin Bekasai on that bank. And no sounds beka say baby asisi Ghana air kono and yet sisi a we penny crowd who stress out about Bekasa because who Bekasa sabe kwahwe kwani akole bi a won bo brebi at the 1 gig bi ebeba be di webusua wa bo bredu anim a unhu ne se bia bibia air cost wanye no obi a won bo bra a sebe impredias a won high dan krada ebeba be di watempoto wo social media na obedwen kraka say ena ni predi matem just because of the thing I've said. It has some Agyinasare kind no said this time around people are not being tolerant. Who criticize it I find say we are abina tanfo ni ababo ntin ya ba be di watem di agra ye be di watem kra me bia kan webusuafo. And that thing na osofo penyi Agyinasare wo kan no me I side with it. I have said it on this channel several times. Said this time around a lot of people in government are not tolerant. They are not tolerant. We've seen it. They be American into Agyinasare kan ya me dey American say oh I say we there enya asem nti Adwena Sare kan say eno na masisi ampanyifo bebre esuro say wo mo ebe kasa no because obe kasa de ebe to ne nenye bini. Now what can say de na ye be use eno anan crofo. You see some people are not smart. Papa na kasa de na encrofo bi in the ruling party ebe use that particular thing who say the papa na kasa nti yemma papa na enim ngo ase maye attack no because papa na kan say we ye penyi sisi na okasa e won nsem bi a ekoso aban mu a ye be ba abonten aba be attack no at least na nkrofo bi a wa aban mu e wo se wo mu hunyansa e hu ne se wo de yenene ma papa na enim ngo ase maye nko attack no no hu ne se wo no wo be kasa ya attack no but sebe wo mo person mo kire se wo mo ese e wo mu enum ese nkrofo no e hya se wo mo attack Adwena Sare e de nsem ebe toto Adwena Sare so ensem kotwi ko breman se Adwena Sare ekoji sika ewo bank ba kwa ana financial institution ba kwa yeguno trese okoji loan intia no worker se tia eye president se president igu banks no Adwena Sare kraka ho ene oye kronfo trese osofu pani ni be bie na no na afa nkrofo de ensem we ni abetoto ne so. And I was sitting down with the folded arms and I was smiling. I was just laughing. Not in a good way, say, Miss Melissa Ebia Adwena Sare na yeye ne sao. I was just laughing because I was like, I knew said this would happen. And one of those things, is here na maka say, hey, as I make me a prophet, no. Because Adwena Sare sha say wakasa na maka say papa we. Obe hu an say yaso asem aba beto ne so. Anche endi 1 week. And hu say screenshot and nam Facebook ne nyama entrophobia wo mo ekasa ema aban unofficially omo de tutu wo mo Facebook page wo so ene Adwena Sare kra ya investigation ehu se o sika no o yese si chese enye easy groups bia na mi wom ni ye de tutu ho yanko abontin ko di Adwena Sare na me say I knew said this thing would happen. And Adwena Sare sounds so bad on Seba Kasai. So one no there. As someone waka and Sisiano, the people have even proved him right, and it is true. Because answer Adwena Sare be kasano na MPP ni bia emba abonten be attacking Adwena Sare. Even chairman who to me emba abonten be kasai. Ebe kan say asem na Adwena Sare na ka no Adwena Sare wo nim ho hwe wo nim hum nim de enti e wo se wo yekom. Asem a chairman who to me be ka kire eye wo sofo panyi Adwena Sare no sensem a ye ka na Adwena Sare no wo nim hu nim de enti wo nyekom. And I was seeing all these things and I was smiling. I was like, wow. Asem a wo sofo na kan no, you people were not even smart enough. Mwama wo biti na echi na wo analyze asem no beka say hey there was sofo na ka to mo so no kan eye ne kre because answer na wo beka sa no there was no political and there was no person in NPP and wo kasetia Adwena Sare. No be any wo kasetia Adwena Sare. Wo beka say na say dia wo criticize the government near the nsema betoto so no wo beka we ya na ne kre ye de nsema betoto ne so say wo no kra no sorry wakwa akoji loan no what they are buying ensem bebre e ma Adwena Sare be issue statement e ka sense ansem na ye ntro enu bi na wo bi kwatina na tu a wokọ keka nsem fa Adwena Sare ho se ye ka azemu sofo a ene Adwena Sare no wo ye number 1 na wo no e na chese wo training wo bi nim tese afa ye de na ka ho azan sofo a wo mo ka no ye ya de na Adwena Sare so aka ho na two for expose ya omo se omo ye omo obi betina ho ye ya de Adwena Sare e ba be kan ho etiefo enda Adwena Sare e ba be preachi virtual church e no ka say he threat ankrofo ama no nkrofo fra no nsem a wo mo ka tre no masa mumpe bebi ntina o no wonya wie ye wo se wonya nhase e kra na we mpo de say ye warm up na wo se wo ba no wono de say we din kan aka se sisi ade aban ye bibi na enye na wo beka nkrofo be ba be attack o nti onu de wonim se be attack no nti wa boni keshra no ato ho nti omo a wo mo threat no e frɛ no e ma ne threat ne nyama ni na no mum forget na afianse wo ba afianza wode mo eba afianza wo besumuja egu aban nechi enti sabe se mo na ya mo se mo asen mo anu na mo de egu ne so a ende mo anu no mo konkosen ne foforo so wo ho abon so bi afre no o de ye nim se de ekoso ne nya ba o de men kasa na Ghana de sisi a wo kasa kra na sei trese enkrofo afre ne kasa asem no trese people know se sisi a de Ghana wo kasa enkrofo be ba attack you. Is that a country we want? Is that a country we want? On my asabi, we want to shut people up. Bibi koso ani kwansa obekasa ni akofa nsema hia beto so se wo kra wa yese nti ansa na ne bako no bekasa na wo nim se wa yesa nyama na ene na ya me nti ase no ansa na ne bako no bekasa no na ade na wo de to no so na wo nim se wa ye. And in a society where we do things like that and we don't want big people to speak on current issues, because in Penyufui and a baby kosune nya e wose wo mokata na bibi kosune nya na penyi na beka penyi kra wo ye ndisi ni and osofu kra wo ye we ni trese. I have told you say today Ghana so we be kasa na bia ne bakono pese ubogu a de wose wo kan se ne bakono ye ndisi ni asa. But what I tell people, they say, okay, the fact that the pakono where NDC ni no, the work can ewomu and I say enimu. Akwa say na say assembly am to Twitter. Just bibia e call so enye. And I me ko throw to Twitter. Me ko throw ya, me hwan say wo bia be comment wo de wo ye NDC ni. Enti me hwa comment na me ka tell the pakono say and this channel in India America na ade where America kraminize mo kramo back because I am crofotro we the NDC for propaganda platform. And I'm not even bothered. People write those things. If I come out and criticize the government on some actions, I am crofotro answer no. Into Twitter nso obi aminim no. Obeka we the NDC ni. Obeka na metena China afa mi bisa na say okay, relax. Provided o de also me NDC ni me ti hei nyankopon kra nim. Se mento waba emma NDC da babu de wo se me NDC ni no problem. Inti me being NDC ni no the America no ne krese esiye anase ensi afa ni bako no to apa so na me se we mo ka hu bi enende politicians de hyehyehye yeni because asemo obi aka no hu ne se de ni bako no aka no ne kra na ase nye ne kre the fact that ni bako no call against government no waba abontia beka so we NDC no and just with that statement o person will run it down as someone the pakone kano it me decide the pakone a very simple question na fe what to papa so say o ka say me NDC ni no na en share say asem na make na e yentro na me say it na en share say the make na yentro why did you even bring that up in the first place? Because asem na make no it wasn't about political party me ma try ma dwen say bibi wo ho a koso aban mu a enye nso aba abonte beka say me ye this time nkola na edi omo akọ school no na me tro say me susu say enye nso aba betro say o me ye NDC na me say nti say me ye NDC ni a e try say de me ka no e ye ntro na me being an NDC ni no de fa ne say me ye NDC ni nti nkola na ekọ school a wo mu nya ye that time na Accra just say over 50 students nya inti over 50 students that enya yare no e wa Accra girls no e no trese me NDC ni inti nkola no 50 enya yare na afi wo si wo enya saa na tie na me say inti afi me NDC ni na wo kofa beto wasem ni mu no e heden ana ayeden na trese ayeden. And that is the country we are living in right now. That is the country we are currently living in. And it is not only with the MPP. NDC for so sa will be back on time criticize your one. On this same channel, people have accused me of belonging to the MPP. People have accused me of belonging to the NDC. On this same channel, more follow me for a very long time. Munim. I told the me no biaba will be friend me say samoba kaya Ghana ni akokrebia wo wa broche. Was sending me audio, me bebo audio ne tremo. Was me we etia meka ose Mahama etia meka obi nso frame ya mi sure Kufuado mi sure Kufuado wo ye bone a me pese meka na me say yama wo dwa na channel we nche internet with both political sides and then you'd see and you'd hear NDC phobia Ebeka Sama Ajinasari say ane because I've heard NDC for communications for nibi wo mo ka say ane na Ajinasari kasaye na mubo nechi na muye se de mo ye na nye let me tell you for a fact NDC for na nkasa kra no wo mo wa be mo kra na nkasa na wo mo nso wo mo beye NDC for ba be mo ende na wo sofo bi sorry e ka se tia wo mo se bibia mo ye na enye oh masa Omeka se wo sofo no wo ye MPP ni but we also Mensa Otabil NDC time no a very vocal NDC for Lebo no MPP ni so no so this time why na adwin say one kasa one sem what to say Mensa Otabil aba bon tabe kasa one sem honda na bi because no so NDC time omo de ye no esi o Mensa Otabil o ye MPP ni te say na NDC for twi nanim fom here and there enye easy ono so NDC for di na tempa NDC for di na temekai omu di na tem enye easy you see and I want us to see say masa kebi mami kebi de say na ti o you don't expect not to be criticized we will criticize you and then just brabontin be di atem into fikoko ewo bi enu nso ye jani ye tu fita mi so wo mu se mi di watem a ebeji unsem me ma no ya rough no bi a me ma da konti masa bi se wo bi a wo Kumasi KNUST konti wo bi a wada konti da ana KNUST mail holder bisa o so ya no pa enchia eye edidi atem ne edi chia o obi a wada konti da bia na no oya obi a memada konti hwe sami jemfi na hwe na nabi mu wo se nya wo mokasa wo mu nina wo mu ye mi seniors wo konti obi a wada konti pen bia no wo so mu se wo di watem a ebeji unsem me so wo mu se mi di watem a wo but wo se me di obi atem o channel we so da be ya na nkrofo aba melodies ni yedi eya na mitumi hu se nkrofo di mateme bia me criticize government on something mitumi hu se nkrofo di mateme na mitine na me sre me se mo de amunsuro mi ana maka makoma to mi yem na wande obi ya na ebroso na me kopani pa ko ne picture na me de ne beto na channel ne so na me di na temu a ebeji obi anso obi abeka se melodies no na no ya sa mo so ya mo se Kelvin Taylor ne efiaso asenga no mo no ya mo de. And I don't want to get to that level. In the to de bi kra na comment no mi hu a na mama me ni apa ho eto de bi a me hu comment no kra na mama me ni apa ho because me so mu se me di watam e beji unsem ya beji unsem atendidie ne de obi anim di o oh masa obi anim atendidie but we want to create an environment very conducive for people to come and share their ideas. So what kaya na say papa bi e wa broche na was sending me the audios. Na ma post what channel so. And that is what I do. I don't discriminate. Entiana papa na wa accuse me say Mahama ema misika kra no. Wonompo even though na wo di matem kra no, I still played his audio because na me person me discriminate. E be kwa ko say wo di matem ni ntima mbo ni audio ana say wo kasama MPP ni ntima mbo ni audio ba obi kasama NDC ana mabo. Enti ne bako ni di matem wo kasama MPP no, I still played his audio. Muni amot say yes papa no. Me bo no kwa audios be 2 or 3. Later me born the audio we na kra no wono kra frame me damase obi ana wasani me audio di matem no wo frame me e damase na afei wendi mi atem bi me na me say wa hwe inti sa na ye pena na is that what we want ye mpese mpenyufo bi ebe kasa e wo man we mu ana bibie ni ani edi atem, bibie ni ani edi atem, bibie ni ani edi atem. Is that the way forward? We want to silence people by force just because our political party is in power. Is that what we want? And then you pay. Sometimes to me read the comments and not just as someone who they work out him say why you very fair in the analysis no. Now assembly will be there for baby about do what I'm say ready. Easy. Hey, say you marry uni akoma ho tumi nye. Sometimes obi tumi di watamu ko hwe ne ba ko ne profile picture pa say say be won ni pada. But na ni pa we pa di watam di obusuanfo fra o say asempeni. And I've told you on this channel, hey, say when you usika papa bi no wa bo bra papa bi a men fa be share politics mu. But that is not the right thing. Nanka nkofo abomo ayi omonye omusika papa womo abobra papa e nanka wo say womo ebe share politics mu because omo no metumi aye nyama papa amayen. But all those people with integrity womo eye weni no because osuro say nkofo beba abonten aba bedi omo atemi no, most of them don't want to enter politics. Most of them don't want to enter politics. Onim so obebie na no say Masa, dear yet the bay no, obey no. Intino, and no, Montreal comment box material for me, that's it.